Mendix is a high-productivity app development platform that enables businesses to transform how they innovate and compete by cutting down the time and effort needed to develop powerful, enterprise-grade applications. It combines the power of low-code development with advanced mobile capabilities, enabling visual development of entire application portfolios that easily integrate with existing systems. Mendix provides a visual, model-driven IDE that promotes collaboration between developers and business stakeholders. It supports agile project management, version control, and one-click deployment. The platform also offers reusable components, a comprehensive set of security features, and the ability to integrate with existing systems and data sources. Mendix's Smart Apps feature uses AI and machine learning to deliver sophisticated, context-aware apps. Mendix offers flexible pricing plans to meet various business needs. The free plan is ideal for small projects and includes basic features. The Pro plan, at $117 per month, supports professional development with collaboration tools. The Enterprise plan, priced upon request, offers advanced features including dedicated support and enterprise-grade security. All plans include cloud hosting, regular updates, and maintenance. Mendix is ideal for businesses that need to quickly develop and deploy enterprise-grade applications. It's suited for organizations looking to digitally transform their operations, streamline workflows, or bring new products to market quickly. Mendix is also beneficial for companies lacking in-house development resources, as it allows business stakeholders to participate in the app development process, reducing the need for traditional coding. Mendix significantly reduces the time and complexity of app development, enabling faster innovation. Its visual, model-driven approach allows non-technical stakeholders to contribute to the development process. Mendix also supports the creation of sophisticated, AI-powered smart apps. Plus, it offers robust security features, seamless integration with existing systems, and the benefit of being backed by Siemens for industrial and IoT solutions. While Mendix streamlines app development, it may not be suitable for highly specialized or complex applications that require custom coding. The platform's advanced features can have a steep learning curve. Also, while Mendix provides numerous pre-built connectors, you may need to develop custom integrations for some systems. Lastly, the cost of higher-tier plans can be prohibitive for smaller organizations. Mendix is a powerful platform for rapid, collaborative app development, especially for enterprise-grade applications. It offers a visual, model-driven approach, advanced features, and robust security. However, it may not be ideal for all use cases, particularly those requiring custom coding or specific integrations. Pricing can be a consideration for smaller businesses. In conclusion, Mendix is a robust solution for businesses seeking to accelerate digital innovation. It offers significant advantages in speed, collaboration, and advanced features. However, its limitations and cost should be considered. If you found this analysis helpful, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more insightful tech reviews. Thank you for watching.